Okay guys, good evening and once again. So guys, in this video I'm going to still be talking on how you can get free internet connection on all SIM cards and anywhere you find yourself. So in this video I'm still going to continue to teach you how you can get the free internet connection on any SIM card. So down here, these are the various type of SIM card that we have been using in order to have a free internet connection. So I just want to give you some other tip as far as this process is continuing. So if you have been watching my video, my former video I make since 2015, I was using this type of SIM card which was giving us a free internet connection and free calls and free SMS. So but now we have discovered that many things have changed hand, and many type of of SIM card are coming up, because from 2016 2015 we were dealing with this SIM card, but now that we are dealing now with micro SIM card, it has bring a lot of changes. In the old video, this is the instrument that I use. This is just a screwdriver. This screwdriver here, this was the screwdriver I used to scratch SIM card in order to have a free internet connection. But I discovered that in this micro SIM we can no more use this screwdriver to scratch SIM card to have a free internet connection. In the other video I also use razor blades, but I discovered that razor blades, they are very strong and they can damage the SIM card. So looking down here, these are various type of SIM cards, and we can look at this SIM card. We can look at the side of this SIM card here, and here this is the micro. Here this is the micro of this one. So if you are using but this type of SIM card here to scratch, I don't know, because I have received messages from people from Zambia, Ghana, Nigeria, Philippines, that they are complaining of the type of SIM cards. In my old video, this was one of the SIM card that I scratched in order to have a free internet connection, and those people in Philippines, they use this type of SIM card in order to have a free internet connection. So these are the type of SIM card. We can see this SIM card. This is the micro. This is the micro of the SIM card. So if you are using this SIM card in your country, this section here is the section that you are supposed to scratch in order to have a free internet connection. But now if you are using the micro one, then this section here, this other section, is the section for you that you can scratch and get a free internet connection. So this SIM card has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 partition. The same here has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's also having 9 partitions. So all these SIM cards you see like this, they are the same. Then now we go to this other SIM card. Although they are from different company, but they work the same. So you can see these SIM cards, they are of the same design. You see the SIM card, this one here, they are of the same design. I have this other one. I have this other one, they are of the same design. Then we have this other one. This one they are upgrade from this one. So this is how this one was from the origin, but they have updated it to this one. So now look at this other one. They are different design of SIM cards, just like this one, but they are more different, more than this other SIM card. So you can look, you can see the design of this SIM card. Then we have, then this one work with this one. So these two, they are the same, but this other one, these three, here, they are also the same. So if you want to scratch any of these SIM card to have a free internet connection, free calls and free SMS, then on this one, this is the portion that you have to scratch. The method that you will use to scratch this one, that is the object. It should be a different object. You cannot use this screwdriver here to scratch any of this SIM card here, because if you use this screwdriver, it will damage the SIM card. So on this other SIM card, if you are using this particular SIM card, look at your SIM card, look at the structure, then you have to come here and you make sure you scratch this other portion of the SIM. It's the same portion here, you scratch this other portion. Then like here, if you are also using this type of SIM card, you will need to scratch this other portion. Then this one, you can see this portion here that I scratched in order to have a free internet connection. So on this SIM card I was trying to test, you can see I have tested this one was not giving. So this is the portion that gave me free internet connection on this type of SIM card. So this is the portion. And now many people are facing difficulties that when they scratch the SIM card, they will insert the SIM card inside the phone. The SIM card will no more read. In my next video, I will teach you how you can do that, how you can fix that problem. It is just a matter of some hours or seconds that you have to do in order to fix that problem that my SIM card is. That is, after scratching, it will still show that you should insert a SIM. That means the SIM is no more reading. So in my next video, I will teach you how you can fix that. If you are trying to scratch and your phone is telling you that you should insert the SIM, then I will teach you in the next video. I will teach you on how to do that. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel, and I want you to share the video, because I will be bringing you so many good things that you will need to know. So so these are the structure. So if you want to scratch any of these SIM cards in order to have a free internet connection, free calls and free SMS, this is what I use for now. This is what I use. I use this blade. It's very soft and it's very flexible. This is what I use. This is it. I use in order to have a free internet to scratch the SIM card, because with this one it is very light, and you have to, when doing it, you have to do it very lightly. So I still have another method that I use this type of coil in order to have a free internet connection. So I will still be bringing you video on how you can make a coil in order to have a free internet and free SMS on all network, on all SIM cards. So here, this SIM card, they are not from the same company. You can see they are from different company. This is not of the same company. I have the SIM card and the update. So this one, I don't know if you are seeing it well. So they are of the same, of different company as so as you see, these are not from the same company. These ones are from different type of company, or from different type of SIM card. So this is how you can get a free internet connection on any of these SIM cards. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 company down here. That is 4 different kind of SIM card down here. And okay, let me use Okay, for example, you see this 3 SIM card, they are of the same company. You see their own structure. You see their own structure. This is their own structure of SIM card. Then this one, we can also see his own structure of SIM card. Then this one, they also have their own different model of SIM card. They also have a different model of SIM card. So you can see this other one, they also have another, design of SIM card, but this company can still use the same design of SIM card, and this other company can still use any of this the design of the SIM card. What I want you to know in this video, that you need to know your SIM card very well before you are going to scratch it in order to have a free internet connection. So if you have any question, I want you to drop it in the description box below. If you have any doubt, drop your doubt, but I don't block anybody from commenting. If you have any comment, make sure that you drop it. I accept all comment. If you look on all my videos, I don't block anybody and I don't block comment from my video. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have watched most of the comment, you will see people saying that it's working, and if you have been reading my comment, you will see that many people that are saying that it is working, and I will also want you to also comment that it is working after you have done it on your own. So thank you guys for watching, and I want you to subscribe, share the video, help your friends. You have any doubt, put it on the description box below. Comment, share your comment, share your experience and any other thing, then I'll get back to you. So thank you.